And this is it, what we're looking at right now, 804-523 on advanced orders. I said they're going to be delivered to you. That is the week beginning, I think, the 2nd of February. And that is, of course, yes, there we are, on the screen for you, or the 1st of February. And the price is down from a QVC price of $440 to $329.94. We've also got for you as well 3 easy payments, no post-your packing. We've got a 4-piece toolkit, and just look how much you are saving compared to Dyson's own price, which will be £106.04 more expensive. Why would you do that? You wouldn't do that. You buy it from us now whilst we have it for you, and enjoy the demonstrations from Steve McDonald. It's great to have you here, Steve.
Yes, good being here.
And to have this as well, because we've had so many thousands of people buying this because it is just one of the most effective cordless vacuum cleaners around.
Is. I mean, the proof is in the pudding, really. Yep. If I show you this, for instance, now we are tackling carpets, laminate floors, the acrylic as well, and as you can see, it makes absolute mincemeat out of everything.
This is fantastic. I have to admit that from the last one we had, I now have the Dyson, the V8 Fluffy, which is the cordless. It looks exactly the same as this. It's got slightly different, I know.
It does, yeah. Because this is the top of the range, this is the V6 Absolute. Now, the difference being is that this one here has actually got 2 motors. So you've got the main motor here, the digital V6 motor, and then down here in the brush bar, there is a motor that is actually inside the brush bar.
A motor in the brush bar?
That is spinning it round, absolutely. So what happens is, unlike most cordless vacuum cleaners, if you had, for instance, an extension tube like this, it's just a bit of plastic that goes on. However, this has got an electric connection from here to there to power that motor as well. That's where it keeps all its power.
Why do we need it to have a motor in the brush roll?
Well, that's where you get that extra power from. This brush bar now, by putting the motor inside, is 150% more efficient than the previous model as well.
And the one is incredibly efficient anyway. But, you know, if you're looking at this and you're thinking, I'm not too sure, you know, really, I've already got a vacuum cleaner at home. Just think of the option, the alternative of this. It is so lightweight. You just plug it in when you finished using it. You take it out, you press the little button. You've got all the tools which will show you as well, so you can use it handheld without the extension there on. You can use it on hard floors, you've shown us there, on stone, on carpet, on tiles. It is absolutely genius. I mean, and when James Dyson, I know, 5,000 prototypes before he ever actually brought out his very first vacuum cleaner. That man is a perfectionist.
Absolutely.
And now, of course, makes so many different pieces of equipment. And then they all work so well.
It is. And what he does is he surrounds himself with engineers. And to an engineer, nothing is perfect, you know, and they kind of work on it and work on it and work on it, keep making it better and better and better. And, I mean, to be able to get the amount of power from a V6 motor that big is incredible. It really is.
Oh, hello. Sorry, it switches on very easily as well. And also, it's a doddle to empty it too. So everything that you want to make work, it's got a little red button and a red lever on there as well. Should we talk about the additional tools? You get worth a fair bit of money.
It is. You get quite a lot. I mean, the main unit here, if I just take that off very quickly, that comes with the wall bracket. You don't have to use that if you don't want to. You've also got the combination tool. You've got the crevice tool there as well. That comes with it. Now, if you did want to use the wall bracket, that means every time you pop this in, that will start charging.
Which is great if you've got space to do that. I just have a plug, and I have it sort of like leaning against the wall, and it's plugged in.
I think most people do. You can. It's very simple. It's like charging a mobile phone. You very simply pop the connector and that's it. 3.5 hours to charge, but don't worry, because once it is fully charged, let's say you left it on overnight, it will turn itself off because the battery is full.
And how long does it last for once it is fully charged?
You've got 2 settings. There's a normal function, which is about 20 minutes, and the max setting is about 6 minutes. But the normal function on here, again, is very powerful indeed, and you'll very rarely have to use the max function, unless you may be doing the footwell in a car or the entrance.
Or I use it, in fact, we've got sort of like heavy traffic on carpets and things where that's even more sort of like, you know, battened down. And it's incredible when you think it's clean and then you go over it with one of these and it fills right up. It's just absolutely incredible. It really is. It's a joy to use, and especially with all the extra tools.
There's all the tools. You'll get an upholstery tool. You've got the soft bristle brush there as well.
Oh, that's nice.
You've got the stiff bristle brush as well. Now, that's a great one, as we were talking before, about the really stubborn bits of dirt.
Yes.
There's the extension nozzle there as well.
Which is flexible.
Really, that's another good one. You can take in the car for all those hard-to-reach places. But on top top of that, down here, there is also, now you get another 2 tools. This one here, I love this. With
and this comes with it for the price that we have.
Everything is included. Everything I'm showing you here now, it's all included.
Oh, this is excellent. This one, I've got that one.
Yeah, it's a great one, especially if you've got pets, cat hairs, dog hairs, those kind of things. And this one here, this is the only attachment that's got the rubber blades. That is absolutely brilliant on your vinyls, your tiles, those really flat floors. That is incredible. I'll show you that one as well.
Yeah, well, should we do a few more sort of like
let's do it. Let's do it. So here we go. I'll just give it. Now, of course, you know, with a cordless vacuum cleaner, as you're able to see, it glides through, and everybody watching at home will be thinking to themselves, well, hang on a minute, that's not exactly hard, you know, to vacuum up from there.
Well, it's not spraying out either side,
no,
though,
it's
is
not
it?
at
It's
all.
cleaning in a complete line there.
Now, there's a reason why I've left this bit there.
Okay.
And it's very simply because I want this to kind of simulate maybe your skirting board at home.
Oh, okay.
So you can see the suction power from this isn't just from the front and the back.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to keep going. I'm going to go over it once. And you'll see that it literally
up to the edge. That is
does edge-to-edge cleaning there for you as well.
That is fantastic. Remember that with this, the price that we've got holds only until midnight. There is no postage and packing. If you use the easy payments, then obviously it's going to spread the cost interest-free over the next 3 months. And we'll have this with you the week beginning the 1st of February. And it just makes life so simple. It makes cleaning anything simple. It was brilliant over Christmas with the pine needles.
Oh, yeah, you
for the Christmas tree. Just literally whip it out like this and it's done. And the other bits I hate are the bits out of Colin's... It's Colin's socks. When there's socks, you've got little black bits that come out of the socks and they go into a beige carpet.
Well, they do, and I'll show... Now, if I just empty this one quickly, you mentioned it before, so it's very simple. This little red bit. Obviously, you're going to do it over the bin. But if I just empty that there, this very simply just clips up. Bang, there you go.
But everything's simple. Even clicking on there, you just press it in, pull it off, and there you are.
Well, as much technology as there is in every single Dyson, #1 priority for every single engineer is that it has to be very user-friendly. Everything has to be accessible. Now, again, we were mentioning the carpets before. A normal cordless vacuum cleaner would have some serious problems getting the dirt up that we put inside this carpet here. And as you can see, again, it's making absolute mincemeat. And don't forget, this has still got a lot of the original features that made Dyson famous. The V-ball at the bottom. I'll stand here, and remember, it's all controlled by your wrist. And notice how the head, that brush head there, is staying flat even when I turn it. Because if you see, if I show you here, you can turn it all the way to the side.
And it goes flat underneath things as well.
Absolutely. Well, let me show you. In fact, how many people out there, when you are vacuuming, how many of you actually move the sofa or move the wardrobe or the bed out of the way?
I wouldn't be able to move a wardrobe, no.
Well, if you see here, and I'll turn the unit on the side, not only can this get on, I can slide that right under. It'll come all the way through. Because the clearance of this, when it is flat down, I mean, if you take a look at that clearance there off the floor.
Yeah, I know, it is
practically non-existent.
And the other point to make as well is when you're talking about using this, and I've had, you know, well over the 20 minutes on this, you know, the battery for doing all the way around the house as well, it doesn't actually fill up to the point of needing to be emptied. You know, it'll probably do the one turn once you've done the whole house or done however many rooms you've got, then you would empty that out and then put it on charge. It's ready to go next time.
It really is, and what you'll find is you'll probably use your upright vacuum cleaner a lot less.
Yeah, hardly ever, actually.
I mean, you speak to people who have stopped using it completely. Let me show you this as well. Now, we've put the upholstery brush on there. Great for on the sofa. Great as well, for instance, on your mattresses. Really good on there.
Because we should do that, shouldn't we, really, on a regular basis, is to actually clean
Now, what you'll see here as well, the suction power of this is so strong, dare I say, too strong. You'll hear this cut out in a second. And the reason for this is simple, because it is too powerful. It's sucking it up, so you can change the power on the back. Now, every single one of these that is delivered is automatically on the maximum function.
Yes, I'm glad you mentioned that, because I remembered that and I took it off when I first got it.
That's right, because everybody thinks, oh, hang on a minute, that's cut out. But if I press this, you can hear. You can hear that difference in power straight away. And now you've got something that is perfect for that job on your mattresses and things as well. And, of course, you've got your crevice tool. To swap these tools around as well, please don't think there's any trick to it.
It is so simple,
It really is. You listen for that click,
There you are. And in it goes.
And in it goes as well. And honestly, it's so easy to use. So when you think to yourself, you've covered the floors and you've covered the sofa and on top of the tables and all these different areas.
And that was all you had to do, was to press one button to change things over. You can get underneath the sofa, as you say. It's lightweight. Think of the alternative if you have got maybe an upright vacuum cleaner, and the way you would normally have to then fiddle around with things like that. You have to make sure that you get the extension lead to wherever it was. You get the hose actually around the corner of the pieces of furniture.
That's right.
And this way, you take this where you need it. That's what I think is so wonderful about it.
And nowadays as well, it's not enough that if you're going to buy a cordless vacuum cleaner, it's not enough that it just does your floors. It's got to be able to do everything. Please don't look at this like it's just for floor care. I mean, for instance, because all the weight is here, we can now get the cobwebs in the corner, in the alcove. Here we go. You can get those hard bits. Those places that normally you might have to get, well, not even get a ladder. People stand on the chairs.
I know, and I fell off a chair once doing that. Really bruised myself really badly. That was my son's curtains years ago now. Only ever did that the once. Now, this is this special head that you've been telling me about.
Yes, it is. Now, this here, for everybody at home, if you take a look, now you've got the red and you've got the black bristles. The red is, in fact, your nylon. Now, you'll feel that's a lot stiffer. That's a lot stiffer than the other bristles.
Yeah.
The reason for that is because when it is on your carpet, it's getting deep in the fibre, kind of fluffing the fibres back to that kind of original fluffiness. And then you've got this here. Now, that's actually carbon fibre, which has got brilliant anti-static properties. It's like a magnet for dust. So when you're going over your laminates and your hardwood floors as well, this here is gently picking up that dust and that dirt. Now, this is something else that sets this apart, is the fact that when it picks up, we're talking bits of dust and particles you don't even see.
Yes.
It comes up here, it passes through the first filter. Then you have 15 different cyclonic, you can see it right there, that cyclonic action.
Something this size is extraordinary,
All in it really is incredible. And this is what sets the V6 Absolute aside. All of the air that this is sucking in and the dust and the dirt and everything goes through all these filters to finally hit this filter. And when the air is released, it is cleaner than the air that you are breathing right now.
That is an incredible thing, isn't it?
It really is.
Because if you've ever stood behind maybe an old vacuum cleaner, if you've been using one, and you see there is like an element of dust actually coming out, so you're doing one thing one end and then actually destroying the effect behind you.
Honestly, it's incredible. Now, this for me is the game changer. This is what makes my mind up.
Right.
Because every time we've had one of the cordless vacuums on here on QVC, we use the cream carpet. It's not the thickest pile, as you can imagine, so we really want to test this out. If Dyson say this is their most powerful cordless vacuum, then let's find out. So you've got a thicker pile here. Now, what we've also done is we've specifically chose this because you've got a lot of crevices. You've got a lot of cuttings in the design, so the dirt can get right in. And let's not play about with this. Let's stand in. Here we go. Now, a lot of upright vacuum cleaners might struggle with a job like this.
Okay.
Now, what you'll see here is as I am using this. Not only is it getting, obviously, all of the bits off the top, but it is getting into those crevices.
And it's also not sort of picking it up in the centre and spraying it out the side.
No, it's not at all.
Which that can happen sometimes with others that are less powerful. And that is as a direct result of this motor in the actual brush head there.
That's right, there's a lot of control. Every single bristle that's on there has been designed to kind of throw the dirt and the dust a certain way to maximise how much is being picked up. I mean, you'd be amazed the amount of detail. I mean, for instance, if you think to yourself like this, Dyson, the company, spend about £3 million every single week on research alone. 3 million on research? Unbelievable.
That is extraordinary.
Unbelievable, it really is.
And it's also when you think of, as well, how young the company actually is, you know, in reality, compared to a great many other companies who make vacuum cleaners.
I think when you look back and how Dyson even first started, the fact that when he created the first ever bagless vacuum cleaner, and he took it to all the companies here in the UK, and nobody wanted to know. Because why would they? They said, well, hang on a second.
We've been using the same system for hundreds of years.
It was a £3 billion market, this vacuum bags. Why would we want to get rid of that?
Yes, of course.
And so we took it over to Japan. Japan absolutely loved it. And Dyson have never looked back. They are head and shoulders with regard to technology ahead of the other competitors.
Can we have a little bit of a look, actually, as well, then, Steve, for the filters on this? Because there's always something that can concern you. Well, hang on, have I got to keep buying new ones? Can I clean them? How often should I check them? You know.
Well, 9 times out of 10, when any vacuum cleaner stops working, it tends to be with the filter. I mean, I think if you were to ask everybody at home, have you ever cleaned your filter before? I think the answer would probably be no.
I rang Dyson once actually about my vacuum cleaner because I thought there's something not quite right here. Rang them up and the chap asked me, you know, have you taken the filter?
Yeah.
You know, like, how long have you had it? A couple of years.
That's a good thing because on other vacuum cleaners you've got to get the screwdriver out, remove the face off and all that.
Easy.
Not with it. With this, have a look here. So we take this out, we run this under the tap.
And
that's one of your filters.
On there, so if you forget, you think, oh, how do I do it?
That's right. Make sure this is bone dry when you put it back in. So leave it for about 24 hours. And then, of course, you've got the filter on the back. Run that under the tap as well.
Run that under the tap.
Run that under
and this is the one that makes the air cleaner than the air we're breathing.
That's right. So in which case, then you just leave that again to dry, clip it back on like so, and you're good to go. You'll find that this is as good as new when you start using it again. Because the whole thing with Dyson as well is to never lose any of that suction power, which is why we buy our vacuum cleaners.
Exactly. So it's one of the necessary evils in life. It's like having to, you know, wash yourself, wash your clothes, do all the other things. You've got to keep your home clean, apart from anything else.
Of course.
And it's just an incredibly simple, lightweight way to do it. And for every single area of the home, not just the hard floors, not just the carpets, the stairs, it can be the top of cupboards, it can be anywhere at all. This, literally take it with you wherever you're going to be cleaning. You haven't got to worry about finding a power source because it's cordless, obviously, and then set it up wherever it's going to be easiest to, you know, to
well, as you mentioned the stairs, I mean, these are a couple of my favourite tools that we got here. This tool here, I love this because as you can see, the head of this is always staying flat. It's always staying on that surface. So as we use this, this is a great one to get up maybe those pet hairs.
Yeah. Oh,
and
my
as you
producer
go over,
needs this. He's just got a dog.
Yeah, yeah. Now, if you can see, these are the parts of the stairs, I think, that everyone cleans, the top bit.
Yeah, we don't bother with this.
No, we don't.
We don't. It's too awkward if you've got a brush head that's the wrong
now,
size.
as you can see here, what I will do is push this down, and remember, it's still flat.
Tell you something else. You're using their cotton wool on here. Now, if you had, again, an inferior suction on the vacuum cleaner, what it would do is spread that all around rather than actually sucking it up and into the vacuum cleaner itself.
So as you can see there again, it picks it up. There's no fuss. I'm not having to pick anything out of my hands. And there's another one. There's this one last bit I wanted to show you here. Now, this tool...
Oh, this one. This comes with it as well.
This is, and this is a brilliant one. This is what you'll see is the rubber blades on the bottom of this.
Right.
OK? Now, if you've got, for instance, tile, if you've got any flat surface, really, your laminate, your hardwood floors, the suction power when you're using this tool is absolutely incredible. Plus, let's also not forget, I think 9 times out of 10, everyone's got a gap next to their fridge for some reason. Between the fridge and the cupboards, there's always a gap. Yet there's nothing that can fit in that gap until now.
Look at this.
And what you will see, if you can take a look, this is staying well out, it's staying flat to the floor. And if you also have a look at the clearance here of how high this is,
it's so narrow, isn't it?
That can even get under your fridge if you wanted to, the edge of it.
What's the button on the front there?
The button on the front, so you can choose. Now, if I show you here, for instance, you'll notice there's little gaps. There's little gaps. If I flick this over to max, what that does is it fills in the gaps and creates a serious vacuum for you.
So when you bear in mind you're getting all these different heads, you're getting everything you see and we've shown you for $329.44, you're getting 3 easy payments of $109.98. There is no post-your packing to pay. You also get the box with the 4 tools in there that includes the flexible hose to be attached onto the motor itself, and you're saving £106 on the price it would cost you to get everything that we have here today for you directly from Dyson. So 804523 has been so successful that we now have these. We sold the day's stock, but we've managed to get them on advanced orders that will be delivered to you the week beginning the 1st of February. So 804523, the final live presentation as well. Everything you see here, plus obviously the piece of equipment itself and these 2 additional heads.
That's right.
So clever.
It really is. I'll just finish off this bit here. If you take a look. Go for it.
Go. Yes.
Doesn't that look like 2 different carpets, the colours there? And you go over it with this, and what you'll see, again, it's all about the ease of use. It really, really is. Now, when we say as well that, for instance, got 20 minutes of usage time in there, we mean 20 minutes. Normally, when you get to the end of a battery life, the power starts to dwindle, doesn't it, and fade away. That doesn't happen with the Dysons. What happens with the Dyson, it's very, very simple. And what it does is it gives you that power, that maximum power, all the way through that 20-minute life of it.
And this is something that you can find out for yourself. Obviously, use those easy payments. That is interest-free. We'll have it for you the week beginning the 1st of February. And then, of course, you've got your 30-day money-back guarantee, as always, in which to try it to see how well it works for you and obviously get maximum use out of it, because it really is an absolute joy.